Hey guys, I know y'all missed me, but I'm back now, and today we're gonna get into this rooted ash blonde vibe that I did. So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. For this look I'm doing today, I have a 613 HD lace front wig in 16 inches from my collection. The link is down below. So I used Wella Color Charm 7A for the roots, and then I also used Wella Color Charm T35 to actually tone the hair. So I'm just going to take a spray bottle with some warm water and spray it along my hairline just so that the hair is a little damp for me to begin plucking. I already know that I'm going to be wearing a side part, so I'm not really going to focus too much on plucking the opposite side because it's just a waste of time. So now I'm just plucking my life away. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Okay, straight scalp, honey. I'm done plucking now, so I'm just checking to make sure I didn't miss any spots. So I'm going to proceed with my Lotta Body foam wrap, and this is just to mold everything down and then also keep the hair out of the way for when I do install. So for anybody that's new to my channel or new to follow me, yes, this is my real hair, 100%, no weave, no links, no nothing, okay? I'm just gonna section off my hair. Normally when I braid my hair, I usually do French braids, as you guys all know from my previous videos. So I'm just gonna French braid my hair. I think I did about 3 braids on each side, or 4. Yeah, it was 4. No, it was 3. You want to take the yellow got to be gel, not the black one, and you just want to add a little bit to your edges just so they're out of the way, and it kind of creates like this little protective shield over them. And now I'm just blow drying it on cool. So for this install, I'm actually not going to use a cap. For some reason, I just don't like the way color installs look with a cap underneath. But I'm just checking out my lace. This is HD lace and it's very transparent, but it is a little lighter than my skin. So I'm going to take my TruMatch lace conceal in the color bronze. You can follow her on Instagram, and I'm just gonna tint my lace so that it blends with my skin perfectly. Little malfunction here, okay. Now, due to my horrible camera skills, you probably cannot see it in this shot, but the lace is actually getting a little darker. I don't want it too dark, so I'm just gonna use a brush. So now we're gonna slide that thing back on there, and voila. So obviously you can see it's tinted and matches my skin a little better than it did before. So now I'm going to start the process. I'm gonna take this 91% isopropyl, I probably said that wrong, but I'm just gonna take this alcohol and clean my skin. And I'm also gonna use my Bold Hold Skin Protect and dab it onto my skin as well. Now I'm going to cut my lace. So unfortunately, I am a little blind and I cannot see what I'm doing in this little camera screen. So for this part, don't mind me, but I had to actually do it in the mirror. But I'm basically just cutting my lace in a zigzag rigid motion just so it's not a straight line, and that way it blends better with your skin. Time to melt this baby down. So we're gonna use our Bold Hold Active, and I typically do 3 layers because I don't plan on keeping this wig on too long. Also, again, I cannot see in this camera, so I will be utilizing my mirror for this part. But basically you want to do very thin layers. The thinner the better. If you do it thin enough, the glue should be clear by the time you're done with that section. If it's still white, then you need to let it dry before you add another layer. After I did my 3 layers, I let my glue dry for about 10-15 minutes. So now I'm just gonna lightly tap my lace by section into my skin. You want to use a comb. Try not to use your fingers too much though, because your fingers do have oil in them and it can cause the glue to like spring back at you and get cakey. So for the most part, just try to use a comb. So this is a little trick I do. I'm giving y'all free game right now. But I take some hairspray and just spray it along my hairline before tying it down. And this will help your glue last a little longer. Also, you can get some head wraps from my website, www.TouchedByTashaMac.com. Bam, okay? Let that sit on there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And as you see, she is melted, honey, coming straight out the scalp, okay? Don't mind those little hairs. I'm gonna get those out. But like I said, we're melted. Now, if y'all know me, y'all know I do not like baby hair, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna do a little bit. I like my baby hair very minimum and soft, so I'm just gonna do a little bit at my temple where I'm gonna do my side part at. Now I'm gonna take my little edge control brush and swoop, 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 swoop. For my part, I'm just gonna section it off, and then I'm gonna take my hot comb and press it out. I'm also gonna go in and pluck a little more hair out, especially on that side, just so it's a little thinner and it'll lay flatter once I go back in with my hot comb. I just used the wax stick to go back over my hair, and I'm gonna go in more with the hot comb. If you want your install to be super flat, you cannot be scared of the hot comb, okay? Okay, we coming together. Now, originally, I did not plan on doing a bob, but the length was kind of weird for me, so I began chopping. It probably would have been easier if I would have did this on the mannequin head, so bear with me, guys. This is a 1.5 inch babyless curling iron. I'm just gonna curl my hair. The look I'm going for, I just want it to be very loose and flowy. I hate tight curls, so yeah. Okay, so I actually burnt myself a little right there, but do you see this lace though? That's all I care about. Do you see it? So now I'm just gonna comb my curls out. Actually, at this point, I was kind of in a rush and I had to leave because I had to be somewhere by a certain time before they closed. So I ended up going home and actually cutting it shorter, and I forgot my camera, so I didn't even get to record the final outcome. But after I did my makeup and I went out and got cute, I did record a little snap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. And also, if you want to see some more videos, leave a comment of what I should record next. Thank you.